Ito si Ray Ching, siya yung binanggit ng dalawang nabiktima daw ng scam ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce sa Toronto. So, he's going to clarify the issue. Okay, Ray.
Yeah, okay. Ano ko ba simulan? Ako si Ray Ching. Actually, I'm not connected in any way with PCCT or the Philippine Chamber of Commerce Toronto. I was just contracted to direct their show. And
Introduce sa'yo sa chamber si
Flor
Benjola.
Opo, sumalangit na ba?
Oo. So, pero she passed away in 2013.
Yeah.
And still, you went on with her suggestion to join.
Okay.
Ano ba? No, you joined PCCT in what capacity?
Yeah, I think nung that time in 2013, wala pang kontratang nangyayari. So in 2013 December namatay si Flor Benjola, later part of 2013. And then nung January po na during her lamay, sabi ko ganun sa members or sa kay Oswald, kay Steve, sabi ko nga, I don't want to continue the project anymore because Flor is not here anymore, because in the first place it was Flor who invited me. And kumbaga I've trusted Flor in a sense that she's the chairman for entertainment and marketing, and I know she can do it. And I don't know anybody from PCCT since I'm not part of PCCT. But then they've asked me, can you continue it just for the memory of Flor?
Who are they?
Steve and Oswald Tugadi. Can you continue it just for the memory of Flor? And then sabi ko, okay, I'll continue it for the memory of Flor. But then of course, sabi ko ngayon, we still have to discuss it. And then sometime February, I submitted to them
2013.
Yeah, 2014 already.
Okay.
2014. Sometime February. So after that, they had a meeting. So I told them I will submit to you a proposal agreement. And it's up to you to approve it or not. And then so sometime February, I submitted to them an agreement.
Who is them?
Again to PCCT, Oswald Tugadi and Steve. I submitted to them my proposal agreement as a director. And then, okay, I waited for them, and then they said they will discuss it from among their board.
Okay, when you say them, you're referring to
the
Oswald
entire board
Tugadi
of PCCT.
and Steve Pagao and the entire board of
And the entire-
Chamber?
Yes, because
Okay.
when I submitted the proposal agreement, Oswald Tugadi said, I will have to discuss it with the entire board of PCCT because it's not only me who will approve it. And I said, that's fine. And if you approve it, then okay. If you don't approve it, that's fine with me. Because that time nga, I'm not interested anymore. Anyway, so they met without me, they discussed it, and then one night, they called me up, Ray, they wanted to clear something, etc., etc., okay. And then, after that, the next couple of days, they told me, Ray, it's already approved, and the contract is approved, I will sign it. And so, this is the contract that I've had with them, which was signed by Oswald Tugadi, that says here that I will be in charge of the entertainment side. And it says it, in the implementation of the event, PCCT will become the main producer and provide the venue in all the event requirements, including but not limited to technical and stage requirements, as well as other production creative materials necessary in the staging of the said event, while Access Media, which is me, will act only as a line producer, which is on the entertainment side. Okay? So, and for that particular, in fact, I charged them, sasabihin ko na yung amount, no? I charged them 15,000 for me to handle the entertainment side. Okay? So I thought,
So they agreed, the Chamber agreed to your proposal?
yeah, they signed it.
Okay.
So,
In your contract, it is indicated that they have to pay you 15,000. Okay.
Yes. In fact, when the board was having a meeting and they called me, they asked me kung pwede ko para babaan yung 15,000. Sabi ko, take it or leave it. Kasi ang sa akin kasi, kung hindi nyo kinuha, then okay lang. Because in the first place, I'm not that interested anymore. Kung kunin nyo, then itutuloy ko. Okay? That's how I have it. Now, so they've agreed on it. So, in and then sabi nga nila, in memory of Flor Benjola, so I helped them.
So who were there during the signing of the contract?
It's the entire board. I wasn't there, but they give me a call.
How many? How many was the entire board?
Since I'm not present during their meeting, it was Oswald Tugadi and Steve Pagaw who gave me a call, and then I think in speaker nila. So dun sa speaker, may nagtanong ng question, and then sinagot ko, and then tinanong nila what will be your role, and then sabi ko, as an entertainment director, it's actually the same as what I'm doing. I will do the show for you. I will help you put up or stage the entertainment.
So who asked you to reduce your proposal?
I forgot, since it's in the phone. Oswald Tugadi said, Ray, asked me, Ray, may tawad pa raw ba to? 15,000. Sabi ko gano'n sa kanila, sorry Steve, kasi ang laki ng trabahong yan eh.
I thought you were talking to Oswald.
No, Oswald Tugadi nga.
Yeah, but you said Steve.
Steve tuloy. It's because it's in the speakerphone eh.
Okay.
It's in the speakerphone. So ang daming umaano noon yung pwedeng magtanong. Since I'm not there, so in speakerphone nila. So sabi ko ngayon sa kanila, sorry, hindi ko na pwedeng babaan yan because that's a lot of work. And in the first place, sabi ko ngayon, that's the same amount that I charge also with my other project. Okay?
Okay.
And so, but sabi ko ngayon sa kanila, take it or leave it. I don't have problem with me, and no, kumbaga, no hard feelings if you don't take it.
Okay, so basically they accepted.
Put down the phone.
Yeah, basically they accepted, and then you went on with the contract.
Yeah, accepted.
Okay.
And then I went on with the contract.
Okay. So what happened next?
So we met. They called for a meeting, and then all the proposals I laid down to them. They approve it sa entertainment side. So sabi ko ngayon, okay, we will have a concert there from using local talents. Gusto nila magkaroon ng mga contest. So sabi ko, okay, contest. If you want a contest, so I can ask a friend who is Benny Saturno kung pwede niyang ipahiram sa atin yung competitions that he's doing in other countries. Okay? At least, sabi ko nga sa kanya, sa PCCT, at least kumbaga established na tong event, concert, competition na to eh. Okay? So, but I will ask first Benny Saturno if he will agree. So, sabi niya, okay. And then, they wanted to come up with a beauty contest. So, sabi ko nga sa kanila, I don't want a beauty contest as much as possible. I hate doing beauty contests. So, if you want a beauty contest, probably pwede niyong gawin yon, but tapos i-include ko na lang sa programming ng entertainment. But then, they wanted me to handle the entertainment, everything, dahil wala na raw silang time to handle the entertainment. Okay? So sabi ko, sige, I'll prepare everything and then sasubmit ko sa inyo yung proposal. So, nung short, bottom line, I presented to them, okay, I was able to talk to Benny and his generous...
Benny Saturno, of Star Ka Na.
Oh, yeah. Kasi siya ang may property ng Star Ka Na eh.
Okay.
I was able to talk to Benny Saturno and I've asked him kung pwede kong hiramin, no? And being a friend ni Benny, pinahiram niya sa akin yung rights ng Star Ka Na. Okay? Pero he doesn't have any he's not involved with PCCT and everything. In fact, he asked me, kilala mo ba yung mga yan, Ray? Sabi ko, I don't know them, pero I think okay lang naman kung since Ben Saturno trusted me that much.
So did he commit Star Ka Na to you or to PCCT?
The Star Ka Na?
Uh-huh.
No, he lent Star Ka Na through me.
What do you mean he lend?
Pinahiram niya sa akin yung pangalan.
So you can use it freely?
Yeah, I can use it as a competition. Kasi ang sabi ko nga kasi is that at least established na yung Star Ka Na eh. So, I can use it as a competition name. Yung Star Ka Na.
But the contestants who win or who won that contest have the right to go into Star Ka Na as a contractor or as
No.
a...
Malinaw po sa ano, maski meron po ako ritong sa computer ko, copy pa nung ano, ang prices dun sa Star Ka Na is that mayroon silang cash price and then
How much was the cash prize?
1,000 cash price.
Okay.
Okay. And then since Benny has nothing to do with this dahil wala naman po siya rito physically, he is not one of the judges. Okay? So sabi niya ngayon sa akin, I asked Benny, can you more or less help me, like can you commit anything? Sabi ko nga ni Benny sa akin, I cannot commit anything, but kung gusto mo, pwede kitang bigyan ng signature song. Kung sino man nanalo, pwede kong bigyan ng signature song. Okay?
So that means the commitment of Benny Saturno is
It's a
as far as the
signature song.
usage of the name, nothing else.
Nothing else.
So,
Usage of the name, plus he committed a signature song.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, yun lang yung anong yun. Now, so, yeah.
So bakit parang pinopromote ng Star Ka Na or Chamber na pag nanalo ka ng contest na Star Ka Na, you know, you will be one of the you will be allowed to sing one song to be recorded by the music company
Anong
or the recording company of Benny Saturno.
Okay. Ang ano doon is that hindi kasama ang recording dahil in the first place, Benny Saturno cannot commit recording because he's not one of the judges. He's not physically here. Normally, the Star Ka Na, it's being implemented abroad pero normally nandun si Benny Saturno. In this particular
But
case,
you were the authorized representative of Benny Saturno
not
in
necess-
Toronto.
No, not really. I asked his permission for me to use Star Ka Na.
But did you tell the chamber
Yeah.
that you were just using the name of Star
Yeah.
Ka Na, but at the same time you're not committing Star Ka Na or Benny Saturno to whatever will happen during the competition?
Yes.
Did you tell them?
Yeah. I told them that, okay, I was able to ask Benny Saturno to use Star Ka Na as a competition name, but then you will provide all the prizes for this, all the whatever requirements in the competition.
Who will
It's
provide the prices?
PCCT.
Okay.
Whatever, it's the same as you put up a singing contest. The only difference is that we are using the name of Star Ka Na.
So the 1,000 should be shouldered by
PCCT.
PCCT.
Yes.
And there was, from the very beginning, there was no intention to have a contract with, for a single song for whoever wins the contest.
No. There's no contract, there's no agreement, or there's no recording. The only one that Benny says, I'm willing to give or to add a price, which is a signature song.
Was that added?
Yeah, it's in the posters. Ang nakalagay ho doon, ang ano ho doon,
So that means that Saturno was also committed to whoever wins the contest
he will
by
give,
saying that.
he will give a signature song. Yes.
So was it in the contract?
Which contract?
Your
Between
contract
me?
with the contestants.
The contestants was informed that whoever wins, he or she will be given a signature song.
That was in the contract.
Yes.
Okay.